Wow, so many colors. Here are 48 shades of colors. Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful xylophone in a very easy way. I know you all love to use xylophone. This is a very interesting music instrument. So follow my every step and try to draw with me. I complete to draw the picture. Now let's start to color it. I'm using here sketch pen color. First one I'm using red color. Red color, red color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Red color. Now I'm using orange color. Color, which color do you want? I want orange color. Here I'm using yellow color. Yellow color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is yellow color. Let's use the light green color. Color, which color do you want? I want light green color. And here I'm using light blue color. Light blue color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is light blue color. And here I'm using deep blue color, deep blue color. Here I'm using deep pink color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is deep pink color. Now I'm using deep purple color. Let's use the deep green color. Deep green color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Deep green color. Now I'm using black color. Here I'm using deep purple color. Color, which color do you want? I want deep purple color. This is deep brown color. Let's use the light green color. Color, which color do you want? I want light green color. Now I'm using another shades of green color. Here I'm using light brown color. Brown color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Light brown color. last one I'm using deep brown color. Wow, the xylophone is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye little kids.